again that time of the year, open enrollment for Medicare.
You're right, it is that time of year, and so at our office we get extremely busy. We have lots of clients and so forth that we try to review their coverages each year, and so especially Medicare Part D plans change an awful lot from year to year, so sometimes we see premiums double and coverages aren't as good. So a lot of times we'll do some research and look to find out which is the better plan for them this next year. So a lot of times people will change their drug plan quite often. Okay. Also in the Medicare Advantage world, it's a time that we could change from one carrier to another. So okay. Sometimes people, depending on their needs and so forth, will change products. This year we have a new company in the area that's got a very good product with a very good dental benefit on it, and so some people might want to take a look at that type of plan.
So when you're talking about changes, though, you're talking about changing from Plan A to Plan B sort of thing. What else?
From Company A to Company B a lot of times.
Okay.
Sometimes it could be from one plan to another. So one company does have two plans and an option that you could change back and forth on.
Who is this going to affect?
It affects anyone who is on really Medicare and then has either signed up for a Medicare Advantage plan, or they use original Medicare and they purchase a Medicare supplement plan that helps pay. So there's two different ways of purchasing Medicare. One through a private insurance company, they actually become Medicare for them. Okay. Or you use your red, white, and blue card at the doctor's office, and then you buy a supplemental or a Medigap policy to fill in the gaps that Medicare doesn't cover. Okay. And so people make that choice, and they can switch between those two plans too each year. So sometimes a Medicare supplement policy may become way too expensive for them in premium, and they may want to look at a Medicare Advantage plan. Okay. So people can just make those changes during the annual election period, which started October 15th.
And goes to when?
Runs to December 7th.
Okay. So just a short window here, a small window to get in. How is this going to affect people coming in here? I know you love to see people, and your services, I think, are always free, right? Uh-huh.
It doesn't cost any more to use an insurance agent. Some people think that, so they kind of stray away and they try to do it on their own. Right. But insurance companies and so forth that they would sign up on, or a Medicare Advantage plan, we do get compensated for that. So we don't charge any more. We really pride ourselves on service of our Medicare clients. We like to do a lot of fun things with them. Sometimes we may go and try to find glasses for them really inexpensively online. It's just a place where we found. Or we may find a drug that's not covered very well on the Medicare plan at all in our area. So a lot of times we may look other places to purchase that prescription. I know we have a lot of our clients who sometimes go to Canada and can pick those up. Or from some of the local pharmacies if they'll shop and so forth. So we try to really help people save money here, because we know how pinched they are on money when you're in retirement situations. So we have a lot of fun with our clientele. Love to see them each year. We try to do meetings each year to review their products, or they can call us. So we're just here to help all the time. Yeah. And we're here to help with claims throughout the year. If they just have any problems, they need help getting reimbursed for something, wondering what their coverages are, whether their doctor's covered or not, we would prefer them to talk to us first before they go out and make a mistake. Right. And then we have to try to fix it on the back end.
Right. Well, customer service, a huge part of your business here. I know you have a lot of new people coming in, but you have a lot of return customers that you're always here to help.
We are, and we have a great staff. We actually have 9 people employed here, and we have 4 that work in actually 5 that work in the Medicare area, and so we have a lot of people who can help them with their problems and customer service and those
with a lot of expertise, because just even listening to that, it sounds so complicated to sit at home and do by yourself. You don't want to do that. You want to come in and see Bob and his staff. Tell us where you are, Bob.
We're located at 169 East, 1600 North in North Logan, Utah. We're just north of the North Logan Walmart store. We're on the corner of 2nd East and 1600 North.
Do people need an appointment, or can they just wander in?
This time of year, we really appreciate an appointment because most of the time we're in appointments during this time of year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you need help, which we all do with these things, insurance policies, come on down and see Bob and his staff at LSS Insurance. Thanks.